Every piece of data stored on your computer is stored in bytes. That is 8 bits. Most of the time you'll use a specialized library to read in a particular type of file, but if you were to try and read in, for example, an image file using Python's built-in open method, then you'd get this error. So I've just tried to read in an image file, which looks like this. It's a working image file, and I get this error. You can see that what Python's trying to do is to default the byte data with a UTF-8 decoder. So it's expecting that the bytes found in that file are in the UTF-8 format. And that will work for TXT files and other files where the byte data is a representation of that UTF-8 byte encoded data, but it won't work for data that isn't in that format. To get past this error, you can add a B for binary to the mode which you're opening the file with. And in that case, Python will read in the bytes of binary data. And what this shows is the bytes represented in different hexadecimal characters. And you could go even further and decode that into binary data, but for now, that should give you an idea of under the hood, everything is stored in bytes.